got to be the startup current that's taking it out. Let's see if I can spin it up and then plug it into the wattage limiter. There's 67 the watts. Did this meter just break? Oh no! Oh shoot. Yeah, that wattage limiter does something funky, and it results in a several wattage higher consumption than when it's just plugged into the regular outlet. I noticed that with the light bulbs as well. So that's 60 watts pretty much on the nose right there. And then if we put this in here, now it's 65 watts. So that wattage limiter is generating 5 watts that don't exist. Probably consumes too much on anything higher than low. Yeah, 72 watts. That's going to be a little bit too much probably. I'll try it, see if I can get it in there real quick. Nah. Okay, so the wattage limiter will only allow the Lasko 3733 to run on low, and it has to be already up to speed or close to it, because the inrush current of the motor as it starts up exceeds what the wattage limiter will allow.